The average typing speed is about 40 words per minute. With the website I'm going to show you in this video, I managed to achieve a typing speed of over 100 words per minute, which is the level of a professional typist. So the advantages of typing fast are, number one, as a programmer, you should kind of just know how to type fast. You kind of like need to know how to type fast as a programmer. It kind of makes you like a good programmer, and also it just makes you look really sick. So if you're a programmer, you should definitely know how to type fast. But also just general usage of your computer and web browsing and stuff like that, it just makes you way more efficient. So it's so amazing to type fast. And also if you're typing things like an essay or something or anything long, it makes your workflow way faster. So you should definitely learn how to type faster. The website I'm going to show you is really great for all skill levels, whether if you type pretty slowly or if you type pretty fast. It's really great because if you type slow, then obviously you want to get faster at typing, improve your typing speed, and even if you type fast, it'll help you maintain that fast typing speed and really just practice your typing, and it'll also help you improve a little bit if you practice a lot. This website teaches you something called touch typing, which basically means typing without looking at your keyboard. And this involves having muscle memory for where each key is so that you don't have to look down every 5 seconds to see if you're typing the correct key. And this will not only help you type faster because of your fingers moving faster on your words per minute, this will help you type faster because if you're looking down every 5 seconds to see if you're typing the proper key, that'll slow you down tremendously. So learning touch typing is literally a life changer. It'll make you type so much faster. And also, to type faster, you should learn to type properly. And I'm also going to show you that in this video. And basically that means pressing each key with the correct finger, which will allow you to type the fastest. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about how the website actually works. So it uses algorithms to generate a typing lesson that matches your skills. It generates random but readable and pronounceable words using the phonetic rules of your native language. Now that may not make a lot of sense, but basically it means that the website is generating words that are not actually real, but can be read somewhat naturally so that you're not just typing random letters. Now there's more to this website than I just explained, and you can find a full explanation on the website itself. Now we're going to jump onto my computer so I can show you the website and how it works. Okay, so here is the website. This is what it's going to look like when you first open it. So basically what you have to do is calibrate all of the keys. So basically it's going to go letter by letter, and it's going to give you words with a lot of that letter. So for example, on E, all these words have a lot of the letter E, and it's going to go through all the letters until you're like decent at each letter. And let me tell you, the letter that was hardest for me was Q. This one took me like a long time. But yeah, eventually I got it. And when you are done calibrating all these, it's going to look something like this. So this is what it looks like right now. And as you can see, my top typing speed, which actually I just achieved like about 5 minutes ago when I just like did one test run, and yeah, I got the top speed I've ever gotten, 103.6 words per minute. So if I go to my profile, just to show you guys, you can see my top speed is 103.6 words per minute, and so you'll see here it says average typing speed, 65.9 words per minute. But that's since the beginning of time when I started using this website, but since then I've improved, so I'd say now it's between like 70 and 80 words per minute, which is really high. And I'm just going to show you once, just doing it once, just so you guys could see kind of what it looks like to do this. So let's do it here. Oh boy, this one is hard. Yeah, that one was pretty bad. But anyways, you can see here I got 79 words per minute. I got a lot of errors, but actually when using this, it helps me get less errors as I've been using it. So let's do one more. Yeah, so you see I got 89 words per minute, which is pretty good. And I've been using this website for about a month now. And yeah, I've improved from, like, I would say I was probably around 60 words per minute before I was typing the non-proper way, but you can see here it actually shows you kind of the finger placements. And yeah, it's improved my speed really a lot. So also, if you want to see a full explanation of this website, by the way, you can scroll down here and see this right here. How does this work? And you could read it, and you could also see like examples of how it's been really effective. So if you guys want to learn the proper finger placements, to know where you place your fingers and which finger presses which key, I would go to this website. By the way, I'm going to link both these websites in the description of this video. But this website has a nice visual here. This right here, which basically shows you each which finger presses which key. So basically just follow this. This is the proper finger placements for proper typing. And then if you combine that with touch typing and you don't look at the keyboard, you are going to get super fast at typing. So that's pretty much the website, guys. I would practice this, like, I don't know, try to practice this as long as you can per day. Maybe like dedicate 50 minutes per day. And I'm telling you guys, try this for about a month and you'll really see big improvements in terms of your typing speed, and you'll probably get less errors. Although I'm not doing so great at that now, but it definitely has improved from when I started. So that's pretty much it, guys, and trust me when I say this, if you do everything I showed you in this video, you'll be typing way faster. Just give the website a shot and tell me your results down below in the comments. Tell me if it improved your typing speed. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.